In this video, we're going to show you how to make your first pie on the Brio pizza oven. The first step is take the 2 stones and put them in the oven with the square side at the back. Light the fire 45 minutes before you're ready to cook. That allows the wood to burn down and give you a good base of coals and keeps you from having to add wood throughout the cook. Don't put the pizza oven on the fire until the bed of coals is established. Your target air temperature is 700 to 900 degrees. You can look at the thermometer on the side of the pizza oven to know where you're at. The target temperature of the stone, you can check with an infrared thermometer. You want that about 500 to 600 degrees. Once your air temp is 700, it'll take 5 to 10 minutes for the stone to heat up to 500. After each pizza, allow the stone to warm up again. If you need to add wood during the cook, add small pieces. For most people cooking their first pizza, dough is the hardest part. Luckily for you, most grocery stores sell dough, or go to your favorite pizzeria and ask for dough balls. If you'd like to make your own dough from scratch, click the link to see our preferred method. You're ready to make the pizza. Put the dough on the pizza peel with some cornmeal underneath and keep that side down. To shape the dough, use your fingers to pinch and push to get the dough nice and flat on the peel, or drape the dough over your knuckles and allow it to stretch using gravity. Once your dough is ready, give the peel a little shake to make sure that the dough is loose. Now let's talk about toppings. If this is your first pizza, keep it really simple. Start by spreading a little bit of olive oil on the dough and then add your pizza sauce. Add your mozzarella cheese and pepperoni if you like, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. All right, the moment of truth. Time to launch your pizza into the oven. With the pizza on the peel, have the peel all the way into the oven, and then with a quick smooth motion, pull the peel out of the oven. If it's your first time and you're worried about the quick motion, don't be afraid to shimmy the pizza off of the peel. One other thing to note is the back of the stone is open to allow the heat to come up. If your pizza is too far back, it could fall partially into that hole. This pizza is going to cook fast. You're going to want to keep your eye on it. About 2 minutes is what to expect, and halfway through the cook, you're going to want to turn it. The simplest way is put it on the peel, pull it out slightly, and use your hand to turn the pizza. Or you can use the peel inside of the oven to turn the pizza. When you see the crust rise, the cheese melt, and the bottom of the pizza has a leopard print, little dark spots, you know your pizza's done. Slide your peel under the pizza, pull it out of the oven, and put it on your board. The last step is cut the pizza and enjoy. If your first pizza didn't turn out quite the way you hoped, that's part of the fun. Keep experimenting and make another pie.